Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find all your downloaded and installed applications on your Amazon Fire TV. And there's various different ways that we can do it. Now, how I typically find my apps is by holding down the home button, and this side menu will open up. And I simply go to apps right here. It'll give me all my apps under here, and then we can even go to the app, press the button with the 3 lines on it, and then go to move to front, and then we can move it to our favorites, and we can see these on the home screen. So I move Disney Plus up there. Now I'm going to press the home button, and you can see Disney Plus is right here. Now another way that you can find your apps is by going over to this icon right next to settings, and then we can go to my apps on the bottom, and then it will bring us to this screen. Now the third way that we can do this is on the home screen we can go over to find, go to App Store, then we can go down to App Library, and then we can see apps installed on this TV, or we can go to not installed right here. So if we have them on our account but we don't have them currently installed, or if we deleted them, we can find them right here. So sometimes you may accidentally hide an application, but it will still show up under this list. So if it's not showing up under your apps list, go to the App Store, Library, and you should be able to find it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.